So the next thing I'm going to show you is how to create a class. So you see GimKit Live here. It initially takes you to kids. You're going to click on classes. Click a new class and you get to pick the name of your class. You can say first period A push. You pick a class color. We'll make it blue. Orange. I'm going to get Bridge and Bear orange. And you're going to create the class. And then have your students visit this link, and they're going to have to authenticate it with Google or email. They can authenticate using their Google account or their school Google account. So what I did is I made it to where on the first day we did this, I told the kids, I gave them a link on our Google site for the day. So it says link to join class, and the kids click on it and it automatically puts them in the class. The good news about this is that then when they do assignments and I give them an assignment, I can all of a sudden see they completed it at this time, spent 10 minutes on it, they completed their cash goal, 97% accuracy, and if I want to see a little bit more, I can view the report and see, oh, his final balance, $101,000, 114 correct, 97% accuracy, awesome job. You can also see it this way. It'll tell you question by question breakdown. It can give you a general overview on how the kids did. Using classes helps your kids. It helps it also to where your kids know that they're being held accountable when they take the tests, because you can see their name and you can see how they do each game that you play in class. You can run a report on each game. I hope that helps.